Hello YouTube, Falcon2762 here. Welcome to my pencil tornado battle between Pegasus and Eagle. Yes, the reason why I call it pencil battle because I'm using string launcher. Yes, with fake rapidity, and it'll come go to a 3-point win. So let's start it. And I don't know, I'm having a loose grip on these. Pegasus has a great chance to beat down Eagle, but Eagle is not going to give up. Balance versus attack is going to win, and slowly Eagle falls asleep out. Pushed, and Pegasus is our final winner. So Pegasus 1, Eagle 0. I always keep dropping Eagle, I don't know why. He doesn't have a really good grip on my string launcher, I don't know why. They're soon gonna fall to sleep out. One of them, I have no idea which one. And Eagle fell to sleep out, thus making Pegasus our final winner. Not final, but wait, one more round to go. People. That was a really awkward launch, thus making Eagle look like he's an idiot. Eagle loses to Pegasus. Is Pegasus for the win? I don't know where to put these. Back, but bye guys. Falcon2762 out.